0 to Professional English Course. A creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 13. Discussion at grocery store.
Habib and Ashfaq live in the same colony. One day, Habib meets Ashfaq and Habib wants to buy some groceries. They talk as follows.
Today, some guests will come to my home, so I have to buy groceries.
Wow, who are they?
They are friends of my elder brother.
That is really good.
Could you please tell me the nearest grocery shop, bro Ashfaq?
The nearest grocery shop on our street is beside the clinic.
Okay, is this shop big or small? I mean, everything is sold there.
Of course, you will find there all your needs. It is a very big shop.
Is his shop popular as well?
Yes, this shop is very popular. People from nearby villages also come to this shop.
This shop opens early, is not it?
Yes, this shop opens early in the morning.
Will it be open at this time?
Bro Habib, will you tell me what time is it now?
It is 9:30 a.m.
Then it will be open now.
Okay, and do you know at what time it closes?
It closes in the night at 10 p.m., bro Habib.
Okay. What kinds of things are sold in this shop?
All kinds of eatables and drinks are sold there.
Good. Well, now I am going to the shop.
Okay, you can call me if you need any help.
Okay, bro Ashfaq. I will see. Inshallah.
Okay, insha'Allah.
Habib reaches the grocery shop. The grocer welcomes him and they talk as follows.
Good morning, Mr.
Morning. What can I do for you?
I want to purchase grocery items for lunch.
Okay. Do you have the list of your items with you?
Yes, sir. I need a packet of chicken masala, 2 packets of garlic paste, a packet of garam masala, a kilo of salt, a bread of big size, and like that, a 1/4 kilo of gram.
Okay. And do you want something else besides these items?
Yes. Also give me a packet of tea leaf of a 1/2 kilo from Taj Company.
Here is the tea leaf. If you want coffee, tell me. We also have coffee of good quality.
Okay. Give a packet of it as well.
Do you want chips as well?
Not today. I will see later. If it is needed, I will buy it, inshallah.
Okay. No problem.
Yes. And I want a kilo of sugar and 1 liter of mustard oil as well.
Okay, I will just give... Anything else?
Do you have syrup of any good quality?
Yes, you will find this. We have a good quality of Indian syrup.
Okay, then tell me how much does a liter bottle cost?
Its price is 275 rupees, but with a discount, I will give it to you in 220 only.
Okay, thank you very much. Do one thing. Give me a bottle of syrup too. Okay, let me know as well if I can find milk-related products in your shop.
Yes, you will find all kinds of butter, cheese, and milk here.
Okay, do you sell milk of Mother Dairy?
Yes, of course. How much do you want?
Give me 2 packets of 1/2 kg.
Okay, here you go. Will you not buy flour and rice?
Not today. Maybe after a week, I will come again to buy other stuff, and then I will buy both flour and rice at that time.
Okay, so that's all you want today?
Yes, that is all for today.
All right, I am preparing your order right now. Give me some time.
Thank you. Do you have a home delivery facility as well?
Yes, of course, we have this service available because this is a need of today.
That is good. Do one thing. Send these items to my address.
Okay, we'll send it. Write your name and complete address here on the page along with your mobile number.
Yes, for sure.
Would you pay here, or you would like to pay after the items have arrived at your home?
No, I will pay after the items have arrived, so send the bill along with the stuff.
Okay, no problem, I will send it.
Thank you. You are really a very good man.
Not a problem. For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs, or modals. Some additional structure of English sentences. 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect. 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding. 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.